Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to be taking you out to beautiful Nojoqui Falls. So come along for the ride. people doing more. It's usually so peaceful up here. It's raining. Watch this. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's badass. That's cool. Really good. I haven't done my hair since October. Woo-hoo. All right, kids, so this has been the Nojoqui Waterfall off the 101 freeway between Buellton and Gaviota. You all should come out here sometime. It's absolutely beautiful. And best of all, it's free. So if you're ever in the San Ynez Valley or in Santa Barbara County, you're definitely going to want to check this out. Free things to do. Bet you didn't know you could see a big old waterfall right in the middle of California. Look at little Cali compared to that big old water. So, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend, and we look forward to seeing you all next time. Peace out. relaxing place. Oh, let's stop and get coffee on the way home. Who needs coffee? Of course, baby girl.
A large one.
Okay, honey. You deserve it. Dogs of the vlog. Oh, what a cutie pie. Reminds me of Matt Bridger's dog. Come take a load off, right? Back to this area. Hey, that looks like the Stabbing Cabin Cowboy's dog. Loving memory of our breezy Brianna Nojoqui. Oh, look what that is up there. Looks like a little cable power. Couldn't be a cell tower. What is that? What is that? Leave me a comment below.
Let go.
Looks like some kind of power pole, huh? Oh, it is a power pole. Thanks for coming along with us on this walk. Nice and peaceful. Back in the vehicle, feeling like a hot, sweaty old mess. This hair, So anyways, but I'm going to take you on a drive back the other way and show you how beautiful that is. Let's go. Dead in the middle of the road.
That's a rat.
You look so hot, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me.
And this, to your right, is Alice Elk Guest Ranch. It's pretty big, and you can stay out here. They have little cabins you can rent. It's pretty cool. My friend Sue works out there, so if anybody's interested in staying out there, get in touch with me, and maybe she can hook you up with a deal. You can ride horses out here, swim, play tennis, all kinds of cool stuff. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. They have restaurants. Cattle Ranch headquarters. They have a little rodeo out there every once in a while. Sorry for the shaking. Kind of a bumpy road here. I just wanted to kind of show you the guest ranch over there. It's pretty cool. Has a golf course too, an 18-hole private golf course actually, but up here they have an 18-hole course that is not private. But this one right here on your right, that's totally private. As a kid, we used to go down there and mess around all the time. Of the golf course. Look at right there. Turkeys. On the side of the road, there were 3 turkeys. Go figure. They have a little restaurant here. That's where you go start playing golf, get your little cart, and whatnot. Yeah, there's some peaks at the course. It's pretty sweet. It's a beautiful, beautiful day in January. Oh my God, there was a, what was that, an eagle? A hawk? A hawk? That was pretty cool. Uh-oh. Are we going the speed? Where are we supposed to go? 45? 45. Yeah, don't worry. We're not going any faster than what the posted speed limit is. Nope. My friends, when I was a teenager, they used to live down in these little apartments down there. You can't see them. But, yeah. So that's why we could go out onto that private golf course and go have a bunch of fun. This thing is totally crooked today. Whoops. Oops. Sorry, guys. There we go. A little bit better. And this we're going over right now is the San Ynez River. Yep, you can go down there. We used to go down there and swim. And I used to ride mountain bikes down there. Now, this is a river course. This is a public course, 18 holes, and has a restaurant. I was supposed to go eat lunch there today, but it was closed, I guess, the restaurant was. So yeah, and then you come up this hill, and it brings you into lovely Solvang, which I've taken you guys before on live streams. And I know Hog was asking me last time where that motorcycle museum was, and I know it used to be in this building right here to your right, this big outlet center. So I'm gonna look that up and see if it's still here, because now it's just like a charter school, and I think they have that boxing place here. But yeah, that's been our little tour of NojoquiFallsPark, Nojoqui Falls Waterfall. So you got your windmill and your little Danish town. And yeah, we'll give you more tours of California here and there. But you know, our main love is beautiful Las Vegas. So, thank you so much for watching. We'll go ahead and take you on the drive out of town, give you the full cruise. It's such a beautiful day. And we're going to take you on another tour in the Moke soon, because it got so late the other time that we didn't get to do a full tour. So we'll definitely be doing that. Little bakeries and your little tourist down. A lot of fun. There's 2 more of those little Moke cars. Moke tour. We're gonna do it again. And here we are, victim of a long line. 10 billion hours later, we still haven't even ordered yet. Little Pineapple P from Vegas Best Ideas, bringing us to close this one out. Isn't that thing cool? It's a little solar pineapple. Yep, it's making my little car happy. Thanks again, T&G. If you're not subscribed to Vegas Best Ideas, definitely go check them out. They gave us little P. Alright kids, see you later. Over and out. And we're home. We got our coffee.